Hello A-Arduino. In the previous video I make the GSM sim900 alarm flooding. I have idea for add more than one station. If you have many station and the station is alarm, and you have to know where is alarm come from, where is the location. The idea today will add the SMS to send your alarm flooding or raining and includes the location of your station. I will show you how to do. Let's start. This is the location for the example. This example, I select to put my flooding station location here, and I go to the Google Map and I put the name of the location here, and I will get the latitude and longitude here. This number you have to use for the next step. In the next step, you just use the same code for the program. You just add the program from here. Exactly only here it is google.com, Google Map, and latitude, your latitude and longitude here. That's it. This is all what I make and add from the previous video, and try your project and enjoy. Now the raining, now the rain is going to, it's still raining now. A lot of people, a lot of area, now a lot of floods. I hope this may helpful for all of you. Thank you for watching. Bye.